check 1. To disassemble all consumables, we unlock the security wheel, rotate the tools holder 45 degrees from the working position, indifferent to which direction, and pull it out. Then we can remove the punch from the punch carrier, unscrewing it out. Next, we remove the die and the punch guide from the tools holder. This is easily done by removing the screws. Lastly, we can remove the wear plate, which is fitted in the tools holder. Check 2. We can check the punch integrity, but especially his cutting edge sharpness. If that's rounded for some punch types, we can resharp it up to 10 millimeters. That means up to 4 or 5 times. The resharpening must be according to the technical manual. Otherwise, we need to change it. Similar to the punch is the die. Also here, it is a must to check the cutting edge, the one shown in the video. This must not be rounded, otherwise we need to replace the die with a new one. It's not possible to resharpen. Next is the punch guide. About it, it is relevant to check the play with the punch, as shown in the video, and therefore the status of the internal corresponding surfaces. The machine requires regular cleaning. We recommend to clean it at least once per day, or better every time we finished working with it. At least we can check the straightness of the tools holder, the status of the thread on it, and on the machine head, as well as visually check the conditions of the grease. For example, the huge presence on this last one of metal filings would be a problems indication, meaning it would be necessary to bring the machine to service. Check 3. Mounting back the wearing plate is not an issue. Thanks to its asymmetrical geometry, it cannot be mounted incorrectly. Then we mount back, by means of the screws, the punch guide, and the die. While screwing the punch guide, it is important to remind to push it against the tools holder and to tighten first the right side screw. This, because if we start from the left one, tightening it in the direction of the thread will risk causing the punch die to tilt a little bit, which is not optimal. It is also important to note that on the back side of each screw, there is a screwdriver slot, just in case the screw head get broken, and we're not able to remove it normally. We proceed then mounting the die, for which the same criteria applies. In this case, therefore, we tighten first the left side screw. To mount the punch, we need to screw it up on the punch carrier. To set the correct height for the punch, meaning to screw it at the right point, we can use the special tool included in the machine box. On it, we can find 4 different distances. We choose the one for the N700. With it, we can verify the right distance between the cutting edge of the punch and the surface of the tool carrier. Finally, taking care of the relative position of the punch guide and punch cut, we rotate this last one 45 degrees to slide in the tools holder. We then rotate the hole to the desired cutting position and secure with the safety lock, Check 4. If, for instance, we don't find the special tool to set the correct height, another way to do it is to rotate the machine shaft with an Allen key and check how much the punch enters the die and the punch guide. We must ensure around 1 to 3 millimeters insertion into the die. To eventually correct it, we can simply unlock and rotate the tools holder, which means screwing or unscrewing the punch, with a following axial movement of 1.5 millimeters per full rotation.